me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Some G's, right now you don't know Cersei. There again. I'm a little thing we created yesterday, remember it? A little strainer. Or no one this still. Need to go buy a strainer. I really need to go buy a strainer. Early morning Cersei tea again, you know? Over here, so I have some ackee. Ackee when I get from my father. I have a ackee tree in the backyard, so I ackee tree bear up all heap. I take a pack, I give Ricky a pack, and I give a pack to S. You know what I mean? So I'm not going to see what I go on for you there. Right now, Grand Theft over there is set up already. You know what I mean? Grand Theft well set up over there. Remember, for add me game tag famous Saucy. Come run out na FIFA, 2K, anything, Black Ops, anything. It's scald off and everything already. You know what I mean? Boil and everything already. So only thing me need to do now, I cook it, fry it down with the saltfish and all of them something there. My saltfish are scald right now. I just throw off the water and add some more water to it. I don't know there's something there go. And then the fire soon boil up. I make some dumpling. Need some flour. Get what I'm saying? So here for right now, that are the pre ackee and saltfish and boiled dumpling. The thing is, me if you go supermarket today, me never get for go because we legit have nothing named sweet pepper, onion, or something there. So right now, only thing again on my ackee and saltfish is ackee, saltfish, black pepper and little salt. Yeah, cause nothing else not there right now, so yeah, hopefully I get to the supermarket later or I go early in the morning so we can buy up some stuff. I run out of my ingredients them right now and made that no ackee and saltfish should have bought with some sweet pepper and some onion. You know what I mean? But can't bother right now. What I gotta do I may have and just make it work. Yeah. So ackee and saltfish boiled dumpling. When they prepare, I'm gonna show them how I'm going. I need my pot of bubble up around this. So. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna link on the back. Chaba supposed to come link me. Ricky supposed to come link me. I'm not sure when yet that's the thing because Chaba's gonna play a ball later I think. Probably around in the night hours. So I don't know if at night they might come link me. So until then, we're there. Big up on yourself, up it. Yo, my G's, you know, so the ackee no come out too bad. Seeing that me never have nothing more than ackee and saltfish to make it. Dumpling is just done. You know what I mean? Patlan! Oh, this will cover this. Find a next cover for you. No. Me not laugh for the road. 3 dumpling, me wanna mash off. Yo, me wish me they have a sweet pepper then for just make it look so much better, but you know what I mean? Consume this. So right now, my G's, we're there. Soccer match. You have Chabas right there.
Up top. Brazil.
Losing right there.
Yes, man. Juventus.
They might run out today. A losing at the right team. But Chabas are international, so the right team also.
If I sell me out people. So right now, Blood Road, we're there.
Yeah, we're there,
We're
man.
at the ball field right now.
Ball field, Chabas.
Illusion right there.
Yeah, man.
Booba not playing today.
Already there.
Today you're going to kick 2 balls and do it for the vlog.
Right.
I'm about to get warm right now. So stay tuned. As we do it for the vlog.
Right.
Up top.
Up top.
6.
Up it. Yo, I don't know where the man mad up on the people in the field, watch out. Magly two of them out there mad. Yo, I don't know Luzon has no baller. Shoppers watch it, you can't even put on him bib. Watch out, none of them know if put on him bib. What is this? Yo, what do you want to do that? The man don't know if put on anything. bad move. Chabas still don't know if he put on him bib already. The man he can't put on him bib. I try a video with Chabas camera and if my thing same time. The ball game start. Lucian and Chabas out for the wing. Let's see what can go on. Ah, nice try. What Lucian there? Lucian. The Chabas at the corner. Good goal, youth. Good goal, youth. Chabas a celebrate. Chabas a celebrate. A good goal, man. A good goal, man. Chabas is score 1 goal, look well. But look his fine there now. Well, the man do SS to look in a goal now. Staying tired. We lose on there. Chabas tired. I know he tired, man. Definitely know he tired. Yo, over here so bad game and play sweet. Can't never sit through the fence. But I feel him ball game bad. Over here so I'm fooling the shotgun. Every minute Chabas tired of it. Every minute me look the man arrest.
I play forward and then he run come out.
I'm on them score power with that. Alright, defend you, that's me.
Me did tired too.
I don't know how the things set up. Yeah.
But what if I video with Chabas arrest?
No, but you got video with me already?
Yeah.
But who scored?
You catch one goal?
No. I never did that look for it. I never did it really.
You don't expect
him to score. Not even him expect it. Him not expect it neither.
What?
You don't expect it.
You never expect that goal?
No, you don't expect it.
Nigga, what you mean me don't expect you? When me tell you, as me give him my camera and me say, watch how me ever score. I man not believe you.
Can't take he loses that, so I just have to run in our defense, isn't it?
Yeah. People really and truly. It was a weird little ball game. But I never waste my time. Up it. Some G's right now, you don't know some there. Recap from yesterday. Yesterday we not do nothing much. I did one by myself basically all day yesterday. I played Grand Theft. You know what I mean? Then I jump on and say, cook some food, make some ackee and saltfish yesterday. As you can see. Right now I'm going to make some Cersei. Oh, we got one soccer match yesterday. Chabas scored but I never catch it. With a joke run but him actually scored yesterday. He actually scored a big goal yesterday. Yeah, so apart from that we never do nothing much. That's the only thing we do basically yesterday. Today I don't know what we have in store yet. But for now, remember me the boys some dumpling yesterday. I'm about to fry them right now and consume it with some of the ackee we make yesterday. For right now I just that I go on and me have to make the video. But I go now, me actually did I go now I go now story time today, but I changed my mind. Can me have the footage for the vlog already? Might as well me just upload it because similar parts they in a Chabas vlog, so I know if me put up a story today and upload this tomorrow, when I done I go skip out the part because I don't see it already in a Chabas vlog. You done a whole tune already, so yeah. And I just want some blessings and respect because I sooner like the video, I sooner comment. Me actually say comment, me actually say like. So if you don't want a story time tomorrow, I just want to comment be a story time. Just comment be a story time. It no matter how much time when you comment, you just comment be a story time. And if me see over 100 people say story time in the comment section, alright, first thing we want to do, come on, know if you don't want the story time now. Like the video. Alright, as me attack right now, me just go in the direction. Like the video, that's the first thing we want to do. Like the video and comment story time. If me see over 100 people say story time, me I go drop a story time tomorrow. And remember, alright, if you make it fair, you probably can comment story time twice. If you make it fair, because I know one person will comment here all 100 times, you know. So, if you don't want a story time tomorrow, just comment story time. Tomorrow story time, what it gonna be? It probably, me have a story where, so much story, I have a picture story. Alright, me I go on a story when me da go to school and, me I go on the story then. Me I go on the story then. Me da go to school and chop off a bus. Boy, I go on the story then. That was a nice story. Drop off a bus, drop in a gully. Me I go on the story then. So tomorrow story when me drop off a bus in a gully and be something primary school, me da go both be primary. Big up Portland again always. You know what I mean? And one of my G them crash off a bike last night at Portland, Ernst Bay. Ratty, Baba, R.I.P. rest in peace, brother. You know what I mean? It's a youth where them man in a walk and look trouble. Them man in a get trouble. Everybody know him as Ratty or Baba. You know what I mean? So R.I.P. again, Baba. But me actually trim with him when me da Jamaica more while. I am trim me and him things there, so R.I.P. brother. You know I mean, condolence to the family. So remember, 100 people come in story time, or if me see 100 story time when I get a story time tomorrow. So until then, me about to go fry some dumpling and just consume the liquor aki. I'm gonna make yesterday, so me upload the vlog so you can have a vlog for watch today and just pre the comment section. And if me see the comment section are going good and be a story time right, then me just go do the story time video and drop it tomorrow for you. So up it, no pity, blessings and respect.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.